guys, it's Sejal. Welcome to another Sad on a Budget video. Today I'm in Central Market, which is in Lajpat Nagar. So we took the metro and auto and we're here. It's really nice to come back here because one of my closest relatives, their house is very close in the next lane. So I've been coming here as a kid. And this place was actually a refugee colony with only 4 shops in the market, and it's grown to this huge market with shops in every house. So I have 2,000 rupees with me, and that's the only amount I'm going to spend today. So let's explore and see what we can find. Let's go. You can practically find anything. There are shops that are on the street, there are big shops with bigger brands, and there are electronics, there are shoes, clothes. But this market is mainly famous for Indian clothes, is what my mom has told me and what I've seen over the years. So let's go. Like I said, you can find practically anything. We used to have these when we were kids all the time. This is really famous in this market. So look at that, there's Raymond, there's family kind of clothing store, we have Levi's over here. Also this market has the best street food, so when you're here you need to have Ram Laddus, you need to have a softie, that ice cream, and that. भैया ये कितने का है? Mom used to buy clothes from this market and get suits and saris made. There are a lot of shops here that sell all kinds of fabric. You have fabrics for saris, for blouses, for suits, and some of the things are ready-made also. So this is the main square of the market where majority of the street shops are there, and where we used to come a lot, where you get amazing deals, things at throwaway prices literally. So I have 2,000 bucks today, 40 of which I've already spent on this. So let's see what I can get with the rest. Come on. Also, I was talking about the softies. You can get them right here. They used to be my favorite. Bedsheets. So all the random nighties that your mom and your grandmom have, they probably got it from this place. This is so cool. This is perfect. It's a fleece nightie. First time I've seen something like this. It's a perfect gift for my grandmom, and it's only 250 rupees. That's what the guy told me. So I ran into a subscriber of mine, Abhalasa.
Hi.
Where do you stay? What do you do?
I stay in Gurgaon. I work there, and yeah, I just.
It's so nice to like run into you.
Yeah.
Okay, have fun.
Yeah.
I'll see you around. ये वाली कितनी की है? 250. Such cute shoes. भैया ये वाली कितनी की है? 450.
सेम प्राइस है।
सेम सारी सेम प्राइस है 450.
नहीं डिफरेंट प्राइस है।
और ये कितने का है?
कौन सी ब्लाउज कह रहा हूँ?
ये कितने की है?
150.
150. 450. There are so many zips over there that you can buy. They have some ready-made blouses also over here which you can just buy. Blouse. That is so random. There are a lot of shops over here where you find clips, all sorts of hair extensions, rubber bands, random things that you need but you don't know where to get them. Millions of shops like that you'll find. Chokers. Also, you can get really pretty Indian, kind of more fancier clothes for weddings and for functions. So many shops here, like this one I see, it has such a beautiful lehenga. And we used to actually come down to Lajpat Nagar from Gurgaon to buy our wedding clothes as well.
Sorry, I just saw your video, sir. And that the last one,
Yeah.
India only. That was super.
Oh, the guide for.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Thank you. What's your name, bro?
Money.
Honey, nice to meet you. Okay. Also, this market, like a lot of other markets, has tons of awesome junk jewelry. I see some really nice boho necklaces there, and I'm gonna try and bargain. Let's see. भैया, ये कितने का है? 150 और ये वाला सिल्वर वाला भैया दोनों कितने में दोगे? कम कर दीजिए ना 200 में दे दीजिए दोनों 250 Stand into one more subscriber today. Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Pratibha and I follow your channel regularly and I love your videos.
Thanks,
Keep up
ma'am.
the good work.
Thank you. Come here with your mom shopping.
Yeah.
Carry on. Managed to buy one pair of earrings for 100 rupees. Let's see what else I can get. Okay, I bought a parandi kind of trinket and a piece of lace for a DIY that I have planned. Okay, so we've come out all the way from that side and we came in through this little gully, and this gully is amazing. It has all sorts of lace, all sorts of little things that you wouldn't really imagine to be there. Wigs like those malas that people wear when they get married. This gorgeous pair of earrings, 250 rupees. No, 200. I bargained. So whenever we had a function at our relative's place over here, we would come here and get mehendi put. This is actually quite decent to carry with Indian outfits like a sari or something. These pom-pom earrings over here, I saw so many people at Fashion Week rocking earrings like that. Check it out. So that's it for today's video. We've come all around the market. I'm back to the square I started from, and now I'm just going to show you all that I got. So as you guys saw, I didn't buy a lot of things, but I got a few things that I like a lot. And that's it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe and let's get to 100K really quickly. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.